Keywords in programming unlock certain things just like keys. For example, the keyword class unlocks the ability to create blueprints for objects. Inside a class, the special keyword self is like the key to the object itself. It lets you write attributes directly onto that object. Here, the class keyword unlocks a new blueprint. The word self is used to attach data onto each object. For example, self.color equals color writes the color onto the door object, while self.material equals material writes the material. Each object remembers its own data, so one door can be red and wooden, while another can be blue and steel. Words like color and material actually represent data structures. Color is a category with possible values: red, blue, green, yellow. Material has its own category: wood, steel, glass, plastic. Each of these values is a string data type. Understanding the data structure of words helps you code directly from your brain without needing to look things up. Since these are string data types, they appear on both sides of the equation. On the right side, you pass in the input value. On the left side, self writes it into the object. By combining keywords, data structures, and data types, you build a mental coding map. Class is your blueprint, self is your key, data structures are your vault of possible answers. Think in data structures, code from memory.